The question came up about logging into Pinterest and seeing that your account is suspended. Now, this happens actually a lot because Pinterest is like they must have like a spam dial where they turn the spam dial up and all of a sudden everybody's accounts get suspended. So it just depends on what Pinterest is doing, and this is all done by bots. People are not doing this. The computers are doing this. So we don't know what Pinterest, criteria are for suspending accounts. Usually you haven't done anything. Usually there's no reason for it. So don't say, "Oh, it's because I'm using a scheduler." No, it's not. Don't say it's because I followed too many accounts. No, it's not. If you are spamming, if you are like, spam, 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 then maybe you're not going to get your account back. But for the most part, when they send you an email that says we've suspended your account, it's going to say because we detected activity that could be spam. It's usually not right, but it's like I said, it's a bot thing. So just ask for a review, ask for a like ask for a review of the suspension by a human, and they give you a place to do that in the email. And the reason I know this is because they suspended two of my accounts 3 times in the space of 2 weeks last year for no I mean, it was the same reason, spam. One of them, I was in the middle of setting up. It was a brand new account. I hadn't pinned anything. I was creating boards, and they suspended it for spam. Okay, so at that point, I was like, all right, this is just Pinterest doing something crazy. So you need to just respond to that email and say you want to have a review by a human. And what'll happen is that they will reinstate your account. And this happens all the time. And it's not unusual for new accounts to be suspended. So don't panic when you see that happening because like I said, it happens all the time. So just respond to it. And if you don't hear back in a couple of days, email them again. And there is a way that you can email support. And if you go back to the review thing where it says your account was suspended and you click that again, it'll say your review is in process and they won't let you answer again, but you can contact support directly on Pinterest. Their support is not the best. I'll just leave it at that. But if you are persistent and polite, they will get back to you and chances are they will reinstate your account.